I am uploading my videos to share with you what impressed me on astrophotography activities. This video is about my trial of Raspberry Pi Astrophotography using a camera lens. I tried to capture the Seagull Nebula this time, so let's see how it went in this video. This is the screen capture of my Raspberry Pi recorded by Kazam. The LCD and the Raspberry Pi are connected like this and they are in a plastic box. The lens is Canon EF 85mm f1.8 connected to the HQ camera via a mount adapter. The HQ camera is connected to HDMI cable instead of the original ribbon cable. I modified the mount adapter to place it on a tripod. I have been trying to capture dark sky objects throughout the year with this setting, and an H-alpha filter attached in order to reduce the light pollution. I started with M42, Orion Nebula about a year ago. The M8 and M16 I got last summer were successful. The Horsehead and Rosette Nebulae I got in this winter were quite impressive. The links to the videos of those are in the description in case you like to watch them. The exposure is 16 seconds and the number of stacked frames to be 64. This screen capture is 16 times faster playback. I adjust the color balance and the contrast levels. This is the one after I retouched using a separate software on my PC. I would say it's another successful one from a flood of city lights. I will upload another object sometime later. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.